Birds. Pigeon. Pigeon was used to carry messages around the world. White pigeon, also known as dove, is the symbol of peace. Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of our country, India. It has metallic green and blue feathers. Ostrich. Ostrich is the fastest running bird, but it cannot fly. Eagle. The eagle has a sharp eyesight and it is known as a good hunter. Tailor bird. Tailor bird uses its beak to sew leaves and it makes beautiful nests. Crow. The color of the crow is usually black. Owl. Owl is asleep during the day and awake and active at night. Parrot. Parrot is a smart bird. It can imitate easily. Parrot comes in many colors and varieties. Sparrow. Sparrow comes in grey and brown color. Hummingbird. Hummingbird is the smallest migrating bird. Hummingbird is the only bird which can fly backwards. Flamingo. Flamingos build their nest from mud. Woodpecker. Woodpecker peck hole in the branches of tree to get insects. Now tell me, which bird is this? It is the national bird of our country, India. Come on, tell me. Yes, it is a peacock. What is the name of this bird? It sleeps during the day. Yes, it is an owl. Now tell me, which bird is this? It built its house from mud. Yes, it is a flamingo. Which bird is this? It imitates easily. Yes, it is a parrot. What is the name of this bird? It can run very fast. Yes, it is an ostrich.